What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how one of our clients, Nick, closed $147,000 in new video deals after working with us inside of our program. And so let me flip over to my iPad here. You might know Nick from Full-Time Filmmaker. He actually was one of the coaches in Full-Time Filmmaker teaching the music video section of Full-Time Filmmaker. And we started working with him last year to help him structure video retainers, structure an inbound system, structure an actual system to get clients coming to him, as opposed to him having to reach out to clients. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step how we actually did this and exactly what we did, so then you can take this and implement this into your video business as well. And so if you haven't watched the case study with Nick, I'd highly recommend watching that. I'll link that down below this video. You can check that out, take a look at that, and actually watch his journey and his story. In this video, we're going to be breaking down more of the step-by-step nitty-gritty, so then you can see that, understand how it works, and what you can actually start doing yourself to grow your video business and start bringing in more high-value deals. So let's go over to iPad here. So $147,000 in new video deals. Let's talk about what we actually did. So number one, the niche that we went after was coaches and consultants. We wanted to go after a niche that was easily targetable through ads. We could easily find these people and we could bring these people into a funnel. And so what we did is I helped him craft an actual package for these coaches and consultants. And we ended up landing on a 3-month for $15K, a 6-month for $27K, and a 12-month for $48K. And the deliverables for that, this is kind of the base deliverables. These scale up as you go from 3-month to 6-month to 12-month. But the base deliverables are going to be a brand video, a couple of testimonial videos, 10 short form pieces per month, and then 10 photos per month. And he actually goes out 1 day a month to shoot these. So he's only going out 1 day a month for each one of these packages. So that's the actual price point. That's the niche. That's the deliverables. Let's talk about how we actually started getting him leads. Because obviously if we have no one to talk to, it's going to be really difficult to close anybody on these packages. So what we did is we came up with a funnel. This is the same funnel that we use for all of our clients and that we use ourselves, and we've used to scale to millions of dollars a year in our businesses. So what we did is we came up with the ad. And the ad is basically hooking them, calling out a pain point, talking about our solution, and then having a CTA or a call to action. And within those ads, we did multiple different hooks and multiple different variations. And so we had multiple hooks here. The hook is going to be the first 3 seconds of the actual ad. And we tested different hooks to see which one would hit. And then we had variations of the actual body of the ad that we tested here. And so we test this hook, like let's say hook number 1, hook number 2, and hook number 3. And so we tested number 1 with each one of these. We tested number 2 with each one of these. We tested number 3 with each one of these. And then what we did, this is body 1, body 2, body 3. And so what we did is we tested that until we found the actual variations that worked and actually got him good quality cost per leads and good quality cost per calls. And so the overarching system is we have an ad and we have the winning ad. So winning ad, go to an actual opt-in page right here where we got their name, email, phone number. Then we had them go to an actual value video page where they could watch a value video about what we did or what he does. We helped him script this value video out so it would actually resonate with his target market and hits on all those pain points that those people are struggling with. And then we simply had a calendar below here for his prospects to book a call with him. And then from there, they then went to a thank you page. And this is a funnel we give all of our clients and we help them build out themselves or help build out for them so then they can start using this to generate leads. We have the thank you page where it has a thank you video and then specific directions to follow before the call. And then we go to the next step here and then they get on a call with Nick and then a percentage of those people turn into clients. And so pretty simple system, but it comes down to what really made this work is we tested multiple variations of the ad, and then we tested multiple variations of the opt-in page to get that opt-in rate super high. So he was getting a really nice, cheap cost per lead. And then he was getting about 1 to 4 calls per day through this funnel. And then he was closing at about 30%. So if he took 10 calls, that would equal 3 clients for him. And that's what turned into $147K. It's probably higher at the time of recording this video since we've done the case study. But at the time when we recorded the case study, he had done about $147,000 in video deals here. And if we break down the actual stats of his funnel, at the time of us recording this, he was getting about $15 per lead, about $80 per call. And these numbers might be different. They might be higher, they might be lower, but this is just what we saw at the time of the recording. And then he was then turning 30% of those calls into clients at one of these 3 price points, either the 15K, the 27K, or the 48K. And so then that turns into a client here. And then let's say someone signs on for a 3-month. Well, then after the 3-month, Nick is then going to re-sign them. And I think he actually has re-signed a couple of them already onto 12 months or 6-month contracts. So then that's how we stretch that LTV, which is customer lifetime value, to get that as high as humanly possible. And so that's how you can acquire clients profitably and then turn them and stretch that lifetime value as high as you possibly can. And so this is the exact process that we went through with Nick to get him to $147,000 in video deals. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them down below in the comments. If you want me to do more videos like this, breaking down our case studies and showing you exactly how we got these clients' results, drop a comment down below. Let us know if you like us doing these. We're happy to do more. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. And shameless plug, if you want our help doing this in your video business, there should be a link down below this video to actually book a call with our team, speak with us, and see if we can actually help you do this as well. So with that being said, keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.